Hello everyone, Victor Escalante here. Welcome to our tutorial on how to create your own digital storybook with Storyjumper. If you're an educator, a parent, or you also, you are a student, this is going to help you out a lot. Storyjumper provides a fun and easy way to bring your stories into real life. So, in this tutorial, we are going to be talking about the basics, so how you're going to create your own digital book, how to create your accounts, and every step you're going to need in order to start using it. I am a Spanish teacher. So, as a Spanish teacher, I like to share stories with my students, and that's the way I like to try to engage them. Okay, so but let's just get started and see what you're gonna what how much fun you're gonna have with this. All right, let's go and check it right now. Um, okay, the first thing we got to do is go on your favorite browser. I like to use Safari, but you can use anyone, the one that you prefer. So once you are there, my recommendation is to go on Google and then just type story jumper. Okay, and we're gonna go on the first information we can see. We click on this, and now we're gonna have this website, storyjumper.com. Right here, if you don't have an account, it's important that you create one, and you're gonna sign up over here, and you're gonna see that you can use Google or Facebook. But if you don't want to use Google or Facebook, you also can use your own email, and you can choose your username. Um, I already have an account, so instead of signing up, I'm just gonna log in, and let me log it in. Okay, and I'm gonna choose Google because I already have one account. So okay, and now you're gonna see the dashboard. Oh, well, let me go on my password. And okay, we are here. This is the dashboard of Storyjumper. So right here you can see your classes. As you can see, I got two included over here, but you can add your own classes. If you click on here, you can add a class. You can type the class name. You can assign a password and some settings that you can just check with your students. You can, if you're using Google Classroom, if you allow search photos or to sign in with Google. So this is up to you. You're gonna decide what you like to have with your class. So, but if you would like to create your own book, you gotta go on create new book. And right here, this is my favorite part because you can select from plenty of templates like this one, the dragon, or you can go on the monster, or if you like to create your own digital book because you are very creative, you go in this blank template and you can create it from scratch. So just check it right here. This is basically what you have with Storyjumper. You can type the name of the story or the name of your book. I'm gonna write I don't know, so animals. That's one of my favorite topics. And here I'm gonna write down my name because I am the one who is gonna tell the story. But you can tell your students that they can just type their own names, and this is gonna be really, really important for them. So once you are here, you can add some characters. You can design your own character, or you can just use the ones that are over here. So as we're talking about animals, I'm gonna select this little dog and this wolf. All right. So, but this is not the only thing you can do. You can also add the scenes. Just check the scenes over here, and let's select it. Let's select this, and look how pretty this is. Now you got a nice place where these animals are right now, and you can tell your students that these animals are gonna hanging out together, or whatever you are teaching them. You can use this if you're talking about different animals. You can use this as they are family or something like that. And the second page is the dedication message, or the dedication page, and you can add, I don't know what you prefer right here. Thank you very much to my family, to my friends, and later on you can start with a story. Some people, when they use Storyjumper, they prefer to add text, and they start the story right here. Like, or once upon a time, and blah blah blah. So they go on this, and they start telling the story. Or, and in the other page they can add, the characters, or in this case the animals we were talking about right here, and the wolf. So we can add select one of the scenes, and we can say, like, they are in this little town or village, and we can start telling the story. So one of the things that I really enjoy is that you can use your own photos. You just need to add them over here, but most importantly, you can add audio. So if you click it right here on this bottom and allow it, you can tell the story. You can use your own voice to tell the story. So we can say there are two animals in this little village, and I'm just showing you this is just an example, but just check what is going to happen. You can add music right here, and you can select what music you would like to add, and I'm going to select this adventure. You see how cool that is? So now I also can add some sound effects, and I'm gonna put sound effects of this birds, and let's check it. Let's check how this sounds. This is so cool because you can make some activities about listening comprehension or reading, and finally students can just get this as a good memory for them, as a good activity at the end, as a project. So let's listen this. Once I finish, once I'm done, you can just, one of the other things I didn't mention is that you can just move this pages. You can just select, I would like that this page goes on this one, and then I just can change them, interchange them, And once you're done, you're gonna click right here when it says save and exit, and you can see that you can buy your book. And if you wanna check it before you buy it, just let's listen to what we recorded before. You use your own voice to tell the story. So we can say there are two animals in this little village, and I'm just showing you. This is just an example. I love it because there's a lot of. I love it because it has a lot of music and sound effects, and that's gonna give to your book, more and more. When you buy the book, you're gonna see these options. This is optional, of course. You don't have to buy any book if you don't want to. But if you would like to have this in your class, as as one of the, or you can get this as a present to your students, you can just do it, or just share the link with the parents. And if they decided to buy it, well, that's up to them. And you can get hardcover book. You can get paper book. You can download a video book, because in this one we add some audio, but also you can download it as just the PDF ebook, and you don't have to add any music if you don't want to. Or you can download a gift card, and this way students can just buy it by themselves. And basically this is what we do with Storyjumper. Storyjumper is really nice. And let's check now one of the templates. Okay, so this is one of the templates, and this is how this book looks. check this out. So this is what I was talking to you about. Usually teachers add this story in the left side and the picture on the other one, but that's optional. It's up to you. Okay, so you can add, you know, pictures and info, or just info and pictures, and or questions. It is up to you. You're gonna decide. You need to be creative. And well, basically, this is what I wanted to show you with Storyjumper. I hope you enjoy it so much. And well, if you got any question, just if you got any question, just let me know, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Please call. I mean, send me an email. My email is V as Victor Escalante at Concordia Parish School Board LA.com is cpsla.com, and I will be more than happy to assist you. Or you can just send us an email to languagetip.com, and we also will be more than happy to assist you. So thank you very much for watching the video, and I hope you have a great day, afternoon, or evening. Bye bye.